Looking to boost sales in your repair shop? Want to upsell products but don't know where to start? Don't worry, RepairDesk has got you covered. Our new Suggestive Upsell feature helps enhance customer experience with personalized product recommendations based on the customer's retail purchases or repairs. Here's how you can use the Suggestive Upsell feature in RepairDesk. To configure the feature, go to Store Settings from the main drop-down menu of your POS screen. From the menu, click on Suggestive Sale Alerts and click Enable. Now, to mark inventory items, go to Inventory in the menu bar, and from the Manage Inventory drop-down, select Products. Select the product of your choice, and once the product page opens, scroll down to Settings and select the Yes option in the Include in Suggestive Sale Alert settings. You can choose whether or not you want to show the product in Suggestive Sale Alerts using the Yes and No buttons. After selecting the desired settings, click on Save Item and you're good to go. If you want to add multiple items to the Suggestive Sale Alert, select the items of your choice and click on Bulk Action in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Mark Selected Item for Suggestive Sale Alert. To check which items have been added to the Suggestive Sale Alert, simply select the checkbox for Suggestive Sale Items in the Select Criteria drop-down and click on Search. Now, when a customer purchases a product or completes a repair order, you simply need to click Checkout on the POS screen, and the system will display a pop-up with the Suggestive Sales items. The items most relevant to the customer's purchase or repair are displayed on the top, and the rest after it. You also get detailed information about the product, including its price and availability. As per the customer's decision, you can select and add the items to your cart from this pop-up. You can also view the items in the cart and proceed to checkout. But wait, that's not all. The Suggestive Upsell feature also allows you to track your store's upsells. On the Reports page, scroll down and under Sales Reports, click on Item-Wise Sales Reports. Select Suggestive Sales Item in the search criteria and click on Run Report to view the items sold. And that's how you can use the Suggestive Upsell feature in RepairDesk. Thanks for watching.